Hi, in this video I will cover some basic Python Jupyter functionality. First up are the question marks. Single question mark would display basic help for a class or a function. Double question marks would also display source code if available. Source code is not available for Python built-in functions and compiled extensions, for example NumPy. So we can get some basic information for the len method. But using double question mark doesn't provide additional information in this case. Getting documentation works also for third-party libraries like NumPy. They have quite verbose comments, so there is no need to context switch and Google a method. Everything is available right here. For some libraries that are implemented in pure Python, like JSON, source code is available. And of course, this works for every function that you implement yourself, so it makes sense to document your own classes with some docstrings. Source code is of course available in this case. Apart from that, you can also examine variables quickly. Here you can see the type of variables, its string representation, length, and other helpful information at a glance. As before, you can quickly check documentation for specific methods of this variable. This also works for general types and classes like lists and tuples, etc. The next up is something you expect from any IDE. These are auto-suggestions when you use the tab key. If you press tab, you'll be presented with a list of available methods. By default, private methods are not displayed, even though in Python you can still use them. In case you really want to see them, just type underscore and then press tab again, and you will see all private and dunder methods. Next are the wildcards. You can use wildcards when you don't know how the method starts, so in this case you'll be presented with all available options. For example, if you don't remember which exceptions you want to use, you can quickly list all of them. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Happy coding!